What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1, and well, it took me a little bit of time, but yeah, I've come to a decision of what I'm going to be opening right now, since Traxxas is about to release their Slash Modified, but this is the Slash Mudboss. What are the differences? Mudboss, that's pretty much it. Traxxas is actually repackaged everything, and it's going to say modified, which is cool. No worries. But I waited a little bit of time. One of them I'm willing to keep in a box. The other one I'm going to come across and say, all right, we're opening up this one. So there's been a lot of votes that have ended up happening between the two colors that are the optional pieces that I'm going to get. Either A, I'm going to be opening up this red one, or B, I'm going to be opening up this green one. And I ended up asking people on Facebook, and I asked you guys on the YouTube channel and Instagram, which one should I open? And surprisingly, it was not the red one. People wanted the green one. So without further ado, I'm going to come across, take this guy off, and let's do a quick unboxing. Alrighty, here we go. So this is the Slash Mudboss Slash Modified, and it's a lot bigger. I mean, even though I do own Slash two-wheel drives, the body makes it just so much bigger. I mean, surprisingly, I'm kind of shocked by how on the size of this thing. But let's go in depth and see exactly what you're getting with this. As I remove the body's nice. The body's nice. They have the Traxxas clipless stuff over there. A little flimsy, but it is what it is. Anyway, so I see they give you the big bore shocks, which I have not seen a Slash two-wheel drive have as of yet. Pretty much a lot of things. This is the Slash LCG. I have a few of them. I have it on my drag Slash right now that I'm building. It does come with the HD upgrade. If you guys don't know what the HD plastics are, I mean, they're all over the place. I'm doing a build on the Slash 4x4 right now with that. Here's the front bumper on how it lays. You know, they say it lays really low. I think it lays pretty well. Let's look at these tires. Wow, these tires feel funky. This is the BL2S 3300 kV motor. Pretty much a lot of people say good things. Some people say, I mean, this is going to be the standard for the racing. I see I have the Magnum transmission, which matching green anodized over there. Here's the clipless body mounts. Yeah, I mean, it's a Slash Modified. What am I going to be doing? So one of the main reasons why I ended up getting this is because I'm redoing my whole backyard. One part of my backyard is going to have crawling area, but I do want to have an old track. Maybe I have enough room to have a jump track. So if this is something you guys would like for me to do, is, you know, drive around with this with a couple of buddies, having a few races, leave me a comment below. Primarily the way I'm going to set it up is the motor and the ESC have to stay the same. People can change out the servo, but the motor, ESC, and the controller will have to be the same, and they have to run the same type of batteries. Maybe I might change that rule on the battery setup, but you're able to change out the aluminum if you want, you know, steel drive shafts. The servo can be upgraded. Yeah, a whole bunch of other things. So hopefully I can get this going up and running. I'm hoping to see if there's another dirt oval track here in New York. Maybe yes, maybe no. We'll see what happens. But tell me what you think about the Traxxas Slash Mudboss Slash Modified. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool car. Right now, I ended up getting a screw kit for it, so I'm going to be changing all that stuff out. I did order anodized steering links, steering knuckles, and servo. I'm not too sure if I'm going to throw this servo in there though. I think I should update something better than what's over here. I'll probably dump this into something else, but we'll see what's going on. I'm not planning for this, even though that's waterproof. I do want something a little bit better. Anyway, if you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. It does help syndicate the show. Rate, comment, subscribe. Don't follow us up on YouTube. Later.